half-year results of Australia's major banks have been announced. EY's analysis shows that the banking sector continues to be challenged by local and international influences. The Australian economy is in transition, with modest consumer and business confidence, government fiscal constraints, and the majority of credit flows to real estate and construction rather than the broader economy. Australian banks are also managing the continued impacts of an uncertain global economy, falling commodity prices, and imminent potential changes to the capital requirements of global banks. All of these factors have certainly given Australian bank directors and executive teams a full agenda to manage. The issue of conduct risk remains front and centre. Recent disclosures by some of the major banks and the focus of parliamentary forums has again turned the spotlight on governance and conduct in wealth and financial planning organisations, particularly those under the control of the major banks. Looking ahead, the majors face a number of challenges that will put pressure on earnings, see jaws contract, and capital become even more important. Consistent with their global peers, Australian banks are investing significant incremental funds in technology to reshape the customer experience to meet changing consumer expectations. Investment in areas such as branch networks, real-time services, and the ability to better manage and leverage insights from customer data will continue. Banks need to define the workforce of the future, taking into account the different needs and wants of a multi-generational workforce. The conduct and culture of major financial institutions has remained in the spotlight, with recent parliamentary joint committee and Senate inquiries into financial advice, asset performance, and professional, ethical and education standards. Although the industry is responding to these reviews with transformational initiatives, ongoing scrutiny of wealth management operations is likely. Smartphones and social media are revolutionising the way banking customers source information, make decisions and interact with providers. Under pressure from disruptive forces and unprecedented competition, and in the face of growing consumer expectations, banks can't afford to lose momentum. In 2015, we see significant opportunities to get better returns from the ongoing banking investment in social media. With the Australian economy in transition and a full agenda to manage, banks are facing challenging times. For more of EY's insights on the 2015 half-year bank results, visit Banking Agenda on ey.com.